Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Apex Tradovate to Tradingview. The first thing I want you to do is actually go to Apex Tradovate, and then I want you to come here at the top right. I want you to click on this icon to open up the settings, and here under settings you should actually see the add-ons option. I want you to go ahead and click on add-ons. Then here, I want you to just scroll down. You should see TradingView. Now you need to enable TradingView to access your Tradovate account and connect it to TradingView. So come here, click on activate. Then you should see it like this. It should show activated. And then what I need you to do is go to TradingView and then come to the top right. I want you to click on this icon to open up the watch list. Here you can go ahead and select on any symbol, any ticker. Let's say, for example, we'll choose Netflix or Apple. And then I want you to click on this icon to open up the chart for Apple stock in a new tab. And then I want you to scroll down. Here you'll see full chart. Click on that. And then here at the bottom, you should actually see trading panel. So I want you to open up the trading panel by clicking on it. Then I want you to scroll down until you see show all brokers. Click on this. Then I want you to scroll down again until you see Tradovate. Click on Tradovate. And now you can go ahead and log in with your Apex Tradovate username and password. Then click here on connect. And that is how to connect Apex Tradovate to TradingView. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Guides Archive.